January 3rd, and we are going to go to a park called starts with a C.
Lake Conestee.
Conestee, that's it. Lake Conestee. We have Trenton with us, and then we have both the kiddos. Emerson's watching her pads. She just woke up. She was a little bit grumpy. We didn't make it to go hiking yesterday. We went to two little places, and they were really neat, but no hiking was involved. So we're gonna try to make up for that today on a 6 miles of concrete and 6 miles of wooded path, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we just got to the trailhead of Conestee, Lake Conestee National Park. It's by this old abandoned factory over here, and there's 1 child, 2 child, 3 child, and a dog and a husband. And there's the lake, or at least part of it.
South part, yeah.
And we're gonna start going. Are you excited? We're always grumpy, always. All right, let's go. You coming? Hi.
This is not the audio.
Hello. Where'd my hat go? Where'd my hat go? My hat. Hello.
A turtle?
A baby one.
Aw, he's cute.
Where?
Sister, do you see the turtle?
Oh, you see him swimming? You see him swimming?
Oh, he's about to be gone.
He's
He has
just
a
gonna
bunch
lower.
of dirt on him so he can camouflage in this.
You see the bubble? Had to make a little switch. How you doing?
Well, I'm just a mama pack mule. It's fine.
Trip, how are you doing? Sister? You good?
Sister, can you give a big thumbs up? Say gig 'em.
Yeah.
And if you would like to subscribe this video, please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe.
Dad, is there a bug in my eye?
No.
And why everyone touched my eye?
Something might have gotten in your eye, but I doubt it was a bug.
Daddy, look and see if there's a bug in my eye.
No bugs.
Then why everyone Lake Conestee Nature Park?
Lake Conestee Nature Park. We took a trip and we went
4.29 miles.
4.29 miles. Trip, Trenton, Emerson.
Emerson doesn't really count. She was held most of the time.
Emerson was held, but she walked a good bit.
She trudged along.
And now we're going where, Chip?
To Sonic to get corn dogs.
Sonic to get corn dogs for a reward for going 4.29 miles with a spill.
I had a spill. It wouldn't have been a successful trip without falling. I got a splinter from the spill that's now embedded in my hand. Yay!
She'll be happy when she gets a corn dog.